Right. Alright, we have a steam engine number 102 right here. It's back of us shunting towards the trucks. There's the old Dutch cleanser, the plastic pallet top of car, as you can see from there. But also the roundhouse and the turntable pit. It's kind of like hit the spot then, I suppose. It's kind of like pretty cool. Let's see if that's the 40-0. See how the it's kind of let's see how it works. Wow, pretty cool. Spirit of Ravenna. And that's the 40-0 locomotive, a very expensive one. So that's something keep on our way, I suppose. Am I right? There, Jim Whisner. Yep, cave out of our way. This is kind of good. Hit this one. Excuse me. Watch out! Don't touch.
Got the switch in the direction.
It's pretty cool.